Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. In today's video, we'll explore the vibrant and spicy world of chili pepper farming, one of the most popular crops loved by millions around the globe. Whether used fresh, dried, or powdered, chilies bring flavor and heat to countless dishes. But before they reach your kitchen, they undergo a fascinating and labor-intensive journey from seed to harvest. Chili peppers belong to the Solanaceae family, the same group as tomatoes and potatoes. Originating in Central and South America, chili peppers have spread worldwide and become essential in cuisines from Asia to Africa. They thrive best in warm, sunny climates with moderate rainfall and well-drained soil. There are many varieties of chilies, from small, fiery bird's eye chilies to large, mild bell peppers, each with distinct color, shape, and heat intensity. The key component responsible for their heat is capsaicin, which also has medicinal and industrial applications. Global demand for chili peppers continues to grow, driven by the spice industry, food processing, and export markets. In recent years, the chili industry has adopted modern farming methods such as drip irrigation, greenhouse cultivation, and integrated pest management, IPM. These techniques not only improve yields and quality, but also make chili farming more sustainable and efficient. The journey begins with careful seed selection. Farmers choose high-quality, disease-resistant varieties suitable for their region. Seeds are first sown in nurseries, where they germinate in trays under controlled conditions for about 30 to 40 days. Once seedlings grow sturdy and healthy, they are transplanted into open fields. Before transplanting, the soil is plowed and enriched with organic compost to boost fertility. Chili plants prefer well-drained, loamy soil and full sunlight. Farmers often use drip irrigation to provide steady moisture while preventing waterlogging. Mulching, using straw or plastic, helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. During growth, farmers monitor for pests such as aphids and thrips, applying eco-friendly solutions when necessary. Fertilizers rich in nitrogen and potassium encourage flowering and fruit formation. After about 90 to 120 days, the fields turn bright with green or red chilies, ready for harvest. The harvesting stage is when chili fields come alive with brilliant shades of red, green, and orange. Typically, chili peppers are ready for harvest 90 to 120 days after transplanting, though this varies with the variety and climate. Timing is everything. Harvesting too early results in dull colors and mild flavor, while waiting too long can lead to over-ripening and fruit loss. Green chilies are picked when fully developed but still firm and glossy, whereas red chilies are left to ripen on the plant until they reach their deep, rich color. Traditionally, chilies are harvested by hand, a process that requires skill and patience. Farmers carefully select mature fruits, ensuring that the plants remain undamaged so that more pods can grow later. Although this method is labor-intensive, it maintains high fruit quality and minimizes post-harvest losses. In smaller farms and specialized chili varieties, hand-picking continues to be the preferred technique because it allows for better sorting right in the field. However, large-scale farms now rely increasingly on mechanized harvesters that gently detach ripe pods using rotating arms or air pressure systems. These machines can cover vast fields quickly, reducing labor costs and ensuring a more consistent harvest. Advanced models even use color sensors and AI technology to detect perfectly ripened chilies. Once collected, the fruits are sorted and packed into ventilated crates, ready to be transported for post-harvest processing. Modern chili farming is evolving rapidly, driven by the need to balance productivity with environmental care. Sustainable practices begin with soil health management, where farmers rotate chili crops with legumes or grains to prevent nutrient depletion and control pests naturally. Organic compost and biofertilizers are increasingly used in place of synthetic chemicals, enriching the soil while reducing harmful runoff into nearby water sources. These eco-friendly techniques not only protect the environment but also enhance the long-term fertility of the farmland, ensuring consistent yield season after season. Water conservation plays a crucial role in sustainable chili cultivation. Instead of traditional flood irrigation, many farms now adopt drip irrigation systems, which deliver water directly to the plant roots with minimal waste. Sensors and automated controllers help regulate moisture levels precisely, ensuring that the plants receive the right amount of water at the right time. This method can reduce water usage by up to 50% and significantly improve crop health, especially in regions facing drought or irregular rainfall. Meanwhile, smart technologies are transforming chili production. Farmers are using drones to monitor crop health, detect pest infestations early, and assess plant growth through aerial imaging. Combined with data analytics, these technologies allow farmers to make informed decisions on fertilizer application, harvesting schedules, and pest control, all while minimizing costs and maximizing efficiency. By embracing sustainable and smart practices, chili farming is moving toward a future that's not only more productive but also environmentally responsible and technologically advanced. After harvesting, the journey of chili peppers continues through a series of processing steps designed to preserve their quality and flavor. The first step is cleaning and grading, where the fruits are separated according to size, color, and ripeness. This ensures that only the best chilies move on for drying or processing, while any damaged ones are removed to maintain product consistency and hygiene. Drying plays a crucial role in the chili industry. Traditionally, farmers sun-dry their red chilies for several days until the moisture level drops enough to prevent spoilage. While this method enhances natural color and aroma, it can be inconsistent due to weather. Modern farms now use mechanical or solar dryers to ensure faster, cleaner, and more uniform results, a major improvement in quality control and shelf life. Once dried, chilies are transformed into various forms such as powder, flakes, pastes, and sauces, depending on market demand. In large processing plants, advanced milling and packaging systems preserve the spice level and vibrant color for export. Moreover, chilies are not just for cooking. Their compound capsaicin is extracted for use in medicines, cosmetics, and eco-friendly pest control products, turning this fiery crop into a valuable resource across industries. Chili pepper farming is a blend of traditional knowledge and modern innovation. From nurturing young seedlings to harvesting colorful fruits, each step showcases the dedication and skill of farmers worldwide. With the help of agricultural technology, chili production has become more efficient, sustainable, and profitable. If you enjoyed learning about chili pepper farming, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AgriTech Smart for more insights into the fascinating world of modern agriculture.